Hi everybody, this is Wednesday, September 29th. For today, chicos, we are going to do our first binder check chat. We're going to work on some academic genius minutes and our enneagram project, okay? For your homework, any missing work in your other classes, and I want you guys to start researching your favorite famous Latino, Latina, or Latinx, or Hispanic-speaking person, okay? So let's get into it. Your due now today is going to be a binder check. On Google Classroom, I want you to fill out the following chart. You will be working on this chart every Wednesday after our binder checks. It's going to be due November 3rd in class. So let's look for it. So you're going to go down to classwork as always. Right here where it says binder check chats, you'll notice that it says 9/29 to November 3rd. This is going to be the first 6 weeks of all of our binder check chats, okay? So let's get into it a little bit more. All right. So much like the grade check-in forms, our binder check chats are really just looking for how did you do in your agenda-based score, how did you do in your organizational score, and how did you do overall, okay? What are some goals that you can make for yourself? What are some physical ways you can set yourself up for success this week or next week? And what goals can your agenda help you accomplish? So I want you guys to really consider, why do we use our agenda? Why do we organize our personal space? And overall, why is it important to stay organized? So that's today's. This is the one you're going to be working on. Oh, whoops. There we go. And then this is next week's and the next week's after that. This is going to follow us for the full 6 weeks because I want you guys to get comfortable being able to talk about your organization and getting into growing into your organization skills. Okay, this is what you guys did for your due now. Then you had academic genius minutes. As Avid scholars, you should stay ahead on your assignments on all your classes. You use the rest of class on Wednesday to catch up on any missing assignments. You could read or research your favorite Latino, Latina, Latinx, Hispanic-speaking person for a project you will be doing. All right, you guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Send me an email, and I'll see how I can help you guys. Other than that, I'll see you